Jimmy in the tan colors and Bella in the brindle. Who's gonna win the match? Jimmy has to get a better grip. Bella, that's her. You have to growl like that, don't you? There's a lot of shit around because we're building stuff, and apparently when you build shit, you got a bunch of shit around. Jimmy, you fuckwad! Well, I don't know that Jimmy won, but as you let go, that's out, make sure I get this walk out of the way so you don't trip on it. Jimmy, can you just let her play?
No.
Bring the ball here, Jimmy. Take it to Nanny, hit it for you.
She don't want me to do nothing.
Nope, she don't. She likes just fucking with Bella. Like she fucked with Rusty all the time.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, Bella, that's good.